In this tutorial, we will learn about the joint loads. To assign joint loads, we need to go to Assign Joint Loads. Here three options will come. Either we want to assign force to the joint, or we want to assign joint ground displacement to the joint, or we want to assign temperature load to the joint. To study force, left click on force. First of all, it will ask what type of load pattern you want to assign to the joint. For example, if you want to assign reducible life in the global X direction, for example, if we want to assign 20 kip, and then we can select any type of joint. So when we left click on add to existing load and then left click on apply, so you can see that 20 kilopascal load is now assigned in the global X direction on this particular joint. After that, for example, if we want to assign another type of joint load, that is if we want to assign a moment in the global ZZ direction at this joint. So when we left click here, for example, if we want to assign 60 kilopascal feet moment to this particular joint, left click on add to existing load, select the load pattern name, for example, let it be roof live, left click on apply. So now this particular moment is now assigned here. To check that, we need to left click on this joint and then right click again, left click on loads. Here you can see that MZ of 60 kilopascal feet is now applied here. Similarly, if we want to assign any type of force in any axis, for example, it be X, Y or Z, or movement in either XX axis, YY axis or ZZ axis, we just need to enter the value here. We just need to select the joint. We just need to left click on apply, and that particular load will be applied on this point. So if we want to replace any existing loads, we can use this option, or if we want to delete any existing loads, we can use this option. We just need to make sure that load pattern name is correct and the load that we are assigning here has to be correct. So to close this option, we can just left click on apply and then left click on OK to close this option.